What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Andy here with another review. Today we're going to be reviewing Temu, or Temu, however you want to pronounce it. This is my first time buying from them. I got a referral code from one of my friends, so I got 10 products and 7 of them were absolutely free. I paid $27 and some change for the other 3, so we're going to open them up, test them out, and see if it's a scam or not. You never know. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so before we open this up, I'm going to go through the list of products that I got, which ones I got for free, and which ones I paid for. The only things that I paid for was a 50-piece vinyl sleeve anti-static. Cost me $8.29. I bought a 3-in-1 guitar pedal power cable for $2.99, and I got one for free. And I paid for a Razer Death Adder mouse. So when I clicked on it, it showed that it is currently discontinued. So it's kind of sketchy. So we'll open this up and see if they actually sent everything that we ordered. Okay, so I don't have a knife, so I'm gonna have to do this ghetto style. Alright, so as you can see, everything should be there. And let's see, the first 2 things I have are the 3-in-1 power supply cables for the guitar pedals. Those look to be pretty decent quality. We'll test those out later on and see how they actually work. The second thing I have is the 6-pack of patch cables. I don't know if you can really see them very well. And those will be for the guitar pedals themselves, and we'll test those out later as well. And it looks like they actually sent me the right mouse, Razer brand and everything. I am honestly very surprised. We'll open that up and see how legit it actually is. The box looks legit, so we'll double check that in a bit. Alright, these are the record sleeves. What does it say on there? Alright. So, nothing too special, nothing fancy. But I needed them for my vinyl records. So, you know how it is. Alright, now let's get into the big boys. So, first box. This is super light. I'm not sure if you can... Well, you can't really hear nothing anyways. Let's see, it's got some tape on there. Just get rid of that. Okay, whatever the hell that. Alright. These are the wireless transmitter for my guitar amp. So I've got the receiver on both of those. Those are actually pretty decent quality. The plastic on there feels kind of rubbery. They got a little heft to them, and they come with a little charging cable so they don't take batteries. So that's a nice little touch. We'll test those out when we test out the pedals. And moving on to the pedals, the first one we have for you is going to be the D3 Super Chorus. Looks like the brand for both of these is Delamo, and excuse me, is it all 3 of them? Well, I guess just 2 of them are going to be Delamo brand. So let's open this up. It's got the little rubber bottoms for it. Nice little sleeve it comes in. And it's got a little bit of heft to it. Wow. That is pretty clean, not gonna lie. So it doesn't look like it has a slot for a power cable. So I'm guessing these are going to be internal batteries in there. I don't know. we'll see if it works here in a bit. But overall, that is nice and clean. Button works really well. The knobs are nice and tight. Overall, so far, I am satisfied with it. And we'll test that out in a bit. The next one I got for you guys is also a Delamo brand. It's going to say the same stuff on there on the front, but up on the top you can see it says D4 distortion. So this is the high gain distortion. It's got the stoppers on there as well. Little sleeve, and let's pull that out right there. That is actually really pretty. Got the same deal with the button, and the knobs feel nice and tight. And again, no output power supply. Oh, I lied. It is on the side. Is it on the side there? It is on the side on this one as well. These cables will come in handy. We'll test that out later as well. And the last pedal I have for you guys, it just says mini pedal right there. This should be the guitar tuning pedal. So let's check that out. It had no tape on there. Nice little design. Has the screen protector on there. Power supply up on top. And yeah. Great. These feel amazing. I am very surprised for these are free, guys. I got these for free. Regular price on them I don't think are too expensive anyways, but yeah, these I got completely free. The quality on them are surprisingly really good. Yeah, I didn't have no words. And the last but not least is the power supply for all of these pedals, and a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I really wasn't expecting too much coming from this app. Let's see, got the manual. Wow, that is super small. I don't know what I was expecting whenever it came to this, but yeah, those are your power plugins. Looks like it takes a Type-C cable to power it on. Let's see if it... Oh, wow. So, it comes with all of these power cables for the pedals. So it looks like I completely wasted my items on some cables that I really didn't need, but at least I'll have them for my other pedals. So I guess win-win. So let's go test these guys out. Alright guys, so first things first, we got the wireless transmitter. Sorry about the dirty ass amp, I'm using my brother's. Mine's in storage right now. But to my surprise, it works. And it sounds pretty damn good. I'm gonna play a little something. Yeah, so overall, I mean, the transmitter works, no delay whatsoever. Pretty decent sound quality, and product quality is even great. So I'll give that one 10 out of 10. Okay, so the second thing I'm gonna try out is the pedal power. It is powered by Type-C cable. You've got all your power outlets there. You got 2 of them that are 300 and 6 of them that are 100. Go and plug them up, see how it works. Okay, so here we have the tuner pedal. If you can't tell, it's bypassed right now. And let's test it out. There's E, A, D, so on and so forth. So you can see it's doing the thing. It's doing its thing. Overall, I am highly satisfied with that as well. I would give that one a 10 out of 10. Okay, so I gotta be really ghetto with this because I do not have a pedal board. But we got the super chorus plugged in, got the distortion plugged in. Excuse the shoe in the background. See, they both come on. Let's test out chorus first. We'll put the rate. We'll do them both about midways. I've got it on clean. Can't really see that, but let's try her out. Okay, so that's without. Now let's try it with. Let's turn the depth all the way down. Didn't really do much. So it kind of gives it more of an echo effect. Let's try the rate all the way up. Oh. Okay, that I don't like. Let's turn it all the way down and see what that sounds like. Ooh, I do like that. Not too bad. I've never really been a big fan of chorus anyways, and but for free, you can't beat that. That sounds really good. I would give that one about an 8 out of 10. And let's try the distortion now. So we're back to clean, and I've got everything all the way up on the distortion. Fuck. Too bad. Alright, let's try that again. I'm turning everything about midways. Down. We'll do the level about midways. Let's do that tone all the way up. The level about a quarter of the way, so it's not too loud. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted for that. Overall, not too satisfied with the distortion. I think the distortion on most of the amps preset are pretty good if you're just practicing by yourself or small gigs. But overall, I mean, not a bad product. It is very good quality. All these for, yeah, I mean, I got these for free, so yeah, you can't really beat that. I'll give the distortion about a 7 out of 10, and that's pushing it. So obviously, while I was testing all those, of course, I tested the power cable and I tested out the patch cables, and those seem to work very well. I'm not going to be opening up the mouse right now because I don't have a computer, so we'll check it out some other time, or I may just give it away to one of my friends who does have one. So anyways, overall, I was pretty happy with the experience. All the products were as described, and who doesn't like free stuff? So I will have a link down in the description below. You can help me out, I'll help you out. It'll give us some more free stuff, and I can keep making videos just like this. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all on the next one.